Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase contrast in the iPhone. So, today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same. So, to turn on this feature, to increase the contrast, to make everything more legible, you want to go to the settings. Then you want to go to the accessibility, then you want to go to the display and text size. Once you are here, you have this option called increase contrast, and what it does, so let's turn on this feature. As you can see, the contrast between everything has gotten up. Colors are a little bit changed right now, as you can see. It means that everything now is going to be easier for you to read. It is going to work in the settings and also in the other apps of the like the Apple applications. It is also going to work in other apps that have that feature. Not all apps has this option, but in most of them it is going to work also. So to turn off this feature, the same steps, go to the settings, then you want to go to the accessibility, then displays and text size, and just turn off the option called increase contrast. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!